Bonjour à tous, I am 𝗟𝗲𝗍, your French tutor at Language Fluent, and in my previous video we have looked at the irregular verb être, and in today's video I will be teaching you the irregular verb avoir, which is again also a very important verb in French, and it is conjugated differently like I said. So voila. Okay, so like I said, avoir means to have. It is again an irregular verb, so it is not conjugated with the rules of the regular IR verbs, and it has its own separate rules. So let us look at the conjugation and the pronunciations. The first one is j'ai, that is I have. Here it's actually je, a, but we club it because e and a comes consecutively. So when two vowels come consecutively, the first one is annulled, so it's cut off, so we say j'ai. So I say j'ai means I have. Then we have tu as, which means you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. On a, which can be we have or one has. Then we have nous avons, which means we all have. Vous avez, you all have, or with respect when you're addressing to some elderly person or with some stranger. Then ils ont, they have, for a masculine crowd or for a mixed crowd. And elles ont, which is again they have, for a feminine crowd. Now let's revise the pronunciations, and also guys, to know more about the pronouns in case you are confused, you can refer to the video of pronom sujet right in this series, so that you get a good idea of the pronom sujet as they are used, that is the specific use of il, elle, on, etc. because French does not have neuter gender, so please do not confuse on with neuter gender. It is either masculine or feminine, and on is a completely different subject. So okay, let's reiterate with the pronunciations over here. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Voila, c'est ça. Now, to look at a few examples. The first one, j'ai un chien. Now j'ai, like I've said, is I have. Un chien, a dog. So j'ai un chien. Let me reiterate the pronunciation. J'ai un chien. Voilà, c'est ça. Then we have ils ont une grande maison. So they have a grand house or a huge house. So ils ont une grande maison. Now, this they have in ils ont can be either a group of complete masculine crowd, or it can be a mixed crowd. We can be speaking about a family, for example. So I want to say, oh, they have a great house, they have a big house. So still it becomes ils ont une grande maison. Et c'est ça. And that was the verb avoir, guys. It's very easy to use in that sense, but please do pay attention at the conjugation and the spellings, because it's an irregular verb and it's very important, and it's used widely in French language everywhere in all tenses. So I hope this video was useful to all of you, and see you soon in my next video. À bientôt, au revoir.